Love Is Never Gone. Can you tell us a little bit about what it was like working with each other on the show?
Masaya ako kasi kasama ako sa journey ko sa Love Is Never Gone. Really excited para makita ng lahat ko yung show na to kasi pinaghirapan namin lahat.
Sobrang saya kasi everyone feels like family already. And of course, Love Is Never Gone is my dream project. So excited ako mapanood yun dahil grabe yung effort at grabe yung pagmamahal na may buhos sa bawat isa.
Last question for you guys. Kamusta filming scenes with each other and what can your fans expect from it?
Filming with Ivana, hindi, surprisingly hindi ako nahirapan talaga. Umpisa pa lang alam na namin na kailangan namin magtulungan. Umpisa pa lang alam namin na mahaba-habang journey yung tatakboy namin together. So, ang ganda lang na sinimulan namin siya ng maganda. And then, patapos na kami. Well, to like a few days na lang ng shooting days. And then, yeah, we're done.
And can you tell us a little bit, one of your favorite things about working with Joshua?